Hello everyone, welcome back. It's been a long time since I've vlogged, but I haven't really been doing anything exciting, trying to save money on food. But right now I'm in Bratislava, Slovakia, and so I really wanted a pastry. So I went into this little bakery thing. Oh my god, it was so good. I asked the guy what his favorite pastry was, and this one has chocolate and chestnuts, and I was like, give me all of it. So we're gonna do a taste. Okay. Oh my gosh. So have a bite. Dude. This is so good. Wow, the Slovakians really outdid themselves with this one. Thank you. Oh my god. This is the best cake I've ever had. So, my birthday is June 10th. So you're all invited to Zeppelin Cafe and Souvenirs in Bratislava. I'm gonna have this cake and everyone's gonna buy me presents. So yeah, June 10th, be here because oh my god, this cake is so delicious. I could eat this whole cake. It's like a little tiny sliver. A little tiny. I'm so happy. Definitely get this cake. Chocolate and chestnuts to die for. Okay, bye.